Okay guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to this video once again. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Vechain as well as TRX Tron up 18% in the past 24 hours. Vechain up 3.5%. So we're going to be having a look at these two coins. Let's start off with Tron, ranked 24. As you guys can see, we got 500,000 people on the watch list. That's pretty fantastic. Currently traded at 11 cents, and we got a market cap of approximately $8.1 billion, guys. That is fantastic. That's amazing. 8.1 billion is pretty big. Having a look at Vechain, almost approximately the same regarding the market cap. We got a market cap of 7.6 billion, and the price is approximately the same as well, 11 cents, 12 cents. So these two coins are approximately, I wouldn't say they're the same thing, but regarding price, market cap, circulation is the same, and up 3.5%. So let's dive in and do some TA real quick on Tron. So first of all, we broke out of this. Okay, we broke out of this resistance right here. Let me move this resistance a little bit higher. So we did have this resistance right here, as you guys can see, at from 24th of April. We had two little touches right here, broke down below the support, and now we are essentially exploding. Okay, we do have another resistance right here. As you guys can see, we are meeting at it exactly. Right here, we had a nice little support that flipped resistance. Right here as well, and right here as well. So now, if we manage to break above this resistance level at 11.5 cents, probably 12 cents, if we manage to reach 12 cents, my price prediction would probably be, my next one would probably be 14 to 15 cents. A lot of people I see on Twitter saying Tron can go to $1. I mean, that would be crazy. The market cap for Tron at $1 would be $71 billion if we see Tron at a $1 market cap. I mean, at a $1 price. Of course, that would be a 10x approximately from here, 1,000%. Can that happen? Very possible. But I don't know if it's likely. There's not so much room to grow for Tron. I mean, we are an $8 billion market cap. Of course, if we look at it in a 10-year gap, yes, there's a lot of room for it for growth. The reason why I love Tron is because, first of all, when you transfer ERC20 tokens such as USDT, the fee is only $1 compared to $30. So that's fantastic in my opinion. That's I really like their network. I'm not an investor in Tron, but I do like their network. They have a pretty good and solid network, fast as well, very fast transactions from exchanges as well. Like a lot of them don't have fast transactions from exchanges. When you send from exchange to exchange, it will take at least 10-15 minutes. Tron, from my experience, it took a couple minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. So they have a fantastic network in my opinion. Of course, guys, none of this is financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence. Let's have a look at the EMA ribbons real quick, what we can see. So first of all, on the EMA ribbon, if we can zoom in real quick, ever since Bitcoin turned bullish, of course, and we broke above the exponential moving average, we saw two touches right here, and we never fully closed below the exponential moving average right here. As you guys can see, we never really fully closed below it. Once we broke above it, we had a nice little retest, and then boom, we just exploded from there. Easily broke the support right here, so things are looking fantastic right now. Can we see a massive rejection? I don't know. Tron is an $8 billion market cap. It's not like it's 400 million or 100 million, where an asset pumps 20 million and comes back down. So things are looking pretty good in my opinion. Let's have a look at Vechain now, guys. Vechain. Vechain right here, VET, we got 700,000 people on the watch list. So it looks like a lot of people, ranked 26. A lot of people are into Vechain right here. As you guys know, a $7.6 billion market cap. Let's have a look at the past 7 days. And after that, we're going to do a nice TA on it. Wow, I exited the thing. Okay, let's have a look. So I could just do it on TradingView right here, but it's fine. I'll just do it right here. Anyways, quick TA on Vechain, which is right here, up 3.2%. Let's have a look. Full charts. 11 cents, as you guys can see right here. It was traded at 11.3 just 24 hours ago. So that's, nothing too crazy, nothing like Tron essentially. But something that I want to have a look at Vechain, something that's interesting, okay? And this is just to tell you guys that trading is a thing, and you guys could be successful traders if you understand and learn the patterns. And you guys are probably getting confused on what this is right here, what's going on, what I did with the red lines. So first of all, right here we got a falling wedge, okay? As you guys know, the last time I made a Vechain video, you guys can have a look, a TA. I did say that we were in a falling wedge. I believe it was right here on the 26th of June, 28th or 30. You guys can go back in the videos. Anyways, I did say that. Okay, now when you're playing with the falling wedge, you have two options. Okay, you either have a break to the downside or a break to the upside. Okay, and what happens is most of the time, because it is a falling wedge and not a rising wedge, you're usually going to have a break to the upside, and the target is essentially going to be the top of the falling wedge where it started. Okay, so the falling wedge started right here approximately, boom, peaked right here, pop back up. So it started right here. Okay, now what happened? Okay, what happened when we broke up? Okay, when we broke up, you could be like, okay, our prediction for that will be at that level at 15 cents, and this is exactly what happened. Okay, we broke out, so you could have taken a long right here and rode this whole thing until now at 119% gain until 15 cents approximately. And me, just to be more secure, I always like to take profit a little bit before. Okay, so you could have taken profit essentially right here at 13 cents, and that would have still been a massive gain, guys. That would have still been 110%. Now, assuming you guys did that with 3x leverage, okay? Assuming you did that with 3x leverage, that would have been a fantastic gain. That would have been 300%. Of course, in a span of like literally nothing, like 3 weeks, I would say. So this is pretty good. Another thing is we do have the trend is your friend, guys. This is the red line right here. The trend is your friend until it bends, as you guys can see. Now, the interesting thing right here is, yes, this was the trend right here. We were in a trend line, came back, retested, whatever. Now we broke above below the trend line. Once we broke above the trend line, this trend line essentially turns into a resistance, okay? So this trend line was holding as support right here up in this level. But after that, it came as a resistance, okay? So we came back up and boom, we got rejected. So yes, this is a cross support resistant trend line, okay? This happens a lot in the market, and this is something we have to look for, okay? So another thing is we failed to come back to the trend line. We failed to break above it, and we essentially came back down, got rejected at the support. Okay, so we do have, yes, we do have support right here, as you guys can see from the previous time. Of course, history repeats itself, as you guys know. History does repeat itself, so this is exactly what happened. We stopped at the support right here. We didn't close below it. We got rejected, and we closed right here. Now, my prediction for Vechain is, in my opinion, if we manage to break above this trend line right here, the resistance, then things would be very bullish again. Until now, I wouldn't really do anything unless we, of course, do something like that, which is very possible. But of course, if we do indeed do something like that, we have to remember that we're gonna still have that trend line right here, which could be essentially a rejection still. Yes, it could still be a rejection. So this is why we have to be careful, as well as this support right here, this resistance. Sorry. Okay, so we do have this resistance, but in my opinion, this resistance is more important than that trend line. So it would probably be active and up until here, and then we would have to meet this resistance right here at 24 cents, which is very interesting. This is why trading, guys, is not a prediction. You have to essentially react to the market and just combine your best probabilities, your statistics, and have as many charts and patterns. You have to see as many of them as lines, trend lines, support, resistance, triangles. And once you see all these patterns and combine them together, then you could start calculating the risk and your risk management, essentially your risk, your profits, and etc. Anyways, guys, this is my video on Vechain and Tron. Of course, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.